Igbo ekenekwa m unu bụ ndị ma njem na ya bịakwana ka isi abịa ọzọ. Vidiyo anụnwa bụ vidiyo nwanne anyị nwoke si ka ọ jụọ ị na-asọpọtụ Peter Obi for election ka onye Igbo chiba wete Biafra, because na Peter Obi from all his speeches ma gosi na ọlụgo nọ ya kpọpụta Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Kpọpụta Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is not enough. Or are you holding on to your Biafran referendum? Choose one and choose wisely. So get into this video one night nwoke kwu ikpokwa n'iyi na comment section, make your opinion and nwoke onwe bụ na ịchọrọ ikwu okwu sị na ihe me nji ekwuli ha na maka ihe me nji ekwu ya. Ịghọtago? Ndị Igbo na-asị my own personal opinion. So n'uche nke gị ya asị anyị na ihe me iji wee na support Peter Obi, ọ na ihe me na support Peter Obi, na ihe me iji wee sị na gịnị me na referendum ka ịchọ kpọkwa n'iyi ka anyị kọmentị ya tụgharị uche mago tụwa alụ ka ndị maara ihe. Ekenekwa m ka ọ dị.
Peter Obi has promised to release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu once he becomes the president of Nigeria in this for this 2027. I don't know if everybody is still focusing on we don't want this, but I have a message to give there. I have something reviewed about what that man is doing and an idea to bring, not to make it a final decision, but an idea to bring. Then who cares to listen to it and do something with it? Let them do. Peter Obi has said that, let me use Igbo. Peter Obi ekwuolesi na ya ga akpọpụta release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ọ bụrụ president. Now, what I want to know is, the Biafrans, are you people going to still stick on we want Biafra, we want Biafra, we want Biafra? Biafra agitation is now something that needs brain work. Already there is no truth in the mouths of, in the promises of presidents, people that are contesting for presidents, for governors. There is no longer truth in their promises. But at least for you people to make success, you need to be at least making a try. First of all, make a try and let it be that you made a try and it failed again. Any opportunity that comes, you try to engage in it and see if it's going to work out, if it's going to bring success. Now that this man have come out and boldly said that he's going to do this, what he indirectly calling is support and attention. Now, you people are supposed to be taking advantage of every opportunity, but wisely. Don't make yourself to be seen as a fool anymore, but wisely. Now, the question I have there now to ask is, are you people going to vote for Peter Obi? Or are you going to still on, we don't want presidency, we don't want to have anything to do with Nigeria again? That is a very serious decision. You understand? It's a very serious decision. It's good for somebody to know what they want and they just stand on it. But sometimes, I didn't know to be a you need to make a, change your position. That is the reason why some people in diaspora, how do they call it? Some people in abroad, they are doing some, some secret attachments, connections, for the recognition of this very struggle, for the recognition of Biafra. They are doing some, secret attachments. They are doing some secret partnership. That is the same way that you people should copy and trade the same way over here. Now, I repeat the question: are you people going to vote for Peter Obi? Are you going to? Are you not going to vote at all? Some people may say that vote doesn't count anymore. It's true, in Nigeria, vote doesn't count anymore. But I want you to know that this very presidency election in Nigeria is no longer only Nigeria that knows about it. It's no longer only the British that knows about it. The world leaders, even America, is now aware of it, and they are keeping at watch of everything. How everything is going to happen, for them to see if what happens the last time is truly going to happen again. A lot of eyes are on this very election now. That is the reason why it's very hard. That is the reason why these people, if not APC candidates and PDP candidates, let me use APC. Do you think that they are going to, they would still go to this extent that they are going in order to get enough people to vote for them? Because the last one was done by decision, not by votes, not by number of votes. Do you think that it's going to become the same? It is going to be the same thing now, when they are doing everything possible to gather, to have enough votes. A lot of eyes are on this very election, Nigeria election now, presidency election. A lot of eyes are on it. You know, so are you people going to vote for Peter Obi, or you don't want to vote at all? For me, Biafrans, give a try with Peter Obi. Give a try with Peter Obi, because for you people to say that we don't want to have anything to do with Nigeria and election again, we want Biafra, it's good. It's very, very good. That decision, if in short, if anybody just holds on it, it is going to make a good progress for the Biafrans. But yet, on what aspect? In short, how is it going to be possible? Because when you look at now, your leader is no longer that free to do anything. His hands are now tied. Your securities are no longer out as it was before. Your supporters, out of 100, 50% of them, in short, 60% of them have turned to Sabo. Then, who are going to help you to achieve this one decision that we don't want anything to do with Biafra? That is the reason why what I said, what I suggest that what it requires now is brain work, wisdom. Because for me, I would say this, because if you people keep on standing on one, and then we are sitting down, nothing is moving on, nothing is going on, nothing is happening, nothing is being done, are you going to still sitting down shouting that we don't want this, we don't want it, we want this, we don't want to have anything to do with this, we only want this? How is it going to happen? Who is going to make that move? For my own suggestion, I suggest that a try should be made through Peter Obi. Everybody should vote for Peter Obi. For me, I suggest that the Biafrans should make a try with Peter Obi, with what Peter Obi said. I'm giving a suggestion. Oh. I'm not giving any prophecy now, and I'm not giving any message now, but I'm giving a suggestion. Biafran people should make a try with Peter Obi. They should make a try with Peter Obi. Are you going now to vote Peter Obi, or are you not going to vote? Because when you look at the way people that are into this struggle, of which are the people that are making the move for Biafrans, all their hands are now tied like this. Are you still hearing anything? Are you still seeing any move again? What option do you have again now? What hope do you have again now? The leader is being held captive. Even the assistant is being held captive. Now, people that are living abroad, we don't know what they are doing. They dismiss these people. They dismiss the other people. They said they are forming another people. Nobody knows they are straightforward, where they are, what they are actually doing. Now, I'm talking to Biafrans that are living here in Nigeria. What is the move that you people, at least when you are saying that your leader and the assistant of your leader, the deputy of your leader, their hands are now tied? What move are you yourself? What are you doing? You must not be the part of people that is holding gun to fight battle. You must not be among the securities. You must not be among anything at all that has to do with force. But what are you also doing? These are the kind of ways with brain work that the people, the Biafran people living here, these are the kind of ways that you people will also help contribute something. For Peter Obi to come out to say that, do you think that he doesn't know that there are things that are supposed to be secret? But he knows what is happening. He knows that this election is no longer about a decision who is going to be the governor instead of counting the votes. He knows about it. That is the reason why he's saying what he's saying boldly. And he needs that support. He knows what he's doing. Because he knows already now which people are behind the ISIS that are on this very election. That is what gave him that boldness and strong mind to control what he is doing. Because he needs that number. He needs that highest number. Because he knows the people that will stay behind this very thing for it never to be taken illegally. So this is something that I want to highlight to the Biafrans, for you two people to know what to do, to make the best decision. I am not forcing anybody to go and vote, and I'm not telling anybody to stay and watch it. But make the right decision. At least let that be your own contribution. You are not doing it because you are supporting Nigeria if you don't want to support it again. But you are doing it and your eyes, your mind and your focus is about your leader who is suffering for nothing. They are holding that man now for no reason than hatred of the Yorubas. The Yorubas, they are only holding that man. It's the Yoruba that is holding that man there. If you tell me that he's British, you are a very big liar. It's Yoruba. After all, they have, even the courts from diaspora, they have declared him free. But Nigeria court is the one holding him. Nigeria government is the one holding him. Who are the ones? It's the Yoruba people. It's the hatred that they have on the Igbos. That is the whole hatred they have now put on the head of Ndi Igbo. The whole hatred is what they now landed on the head of Ndi Igbo. They are hitting it bam, 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 bam. Because they now saw him as the leader. You know why? To be a leader. To be a leader. To be a leader. To be a leader.